Hello everyone, and we are back with another tutorial, and I am recording this all in one night, and something I forgot to do, which is a big thing everyone must do, is save your work. Now I'm going to save my work under a folder called, under my Turing folder, and I'll call it tutorial program. Boom. There we go. Now we have it all done. I don't know what's weird. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just fixed it. The colors aren't showing up, and it's pretty confusing. Okay, so this is our program that we have so far. Now we're gonna throw all this away right now, and I'm gonna start. Actually, I'm not gonna start with a new one, but actually I am. So I'm gonna start with a new program, and this episode today is this third lesson on intermediate programming is now dedicated entirely to arithmetics and algorithm. Well, not algorithm, but the math that the computer does. So right now, I'm gonna write something basic. Put 3. Okay. We have now that command that can put the number 3 on the screen. Congrats, you've done a big accomplishment. Now we're gonna put 3. Okay, that's not the button. 3 plus 10. And now, oh, that's not the button either. And now if I run this, it'll say 13 because 3 plus 10 is 13. Now I can also do subtracted. So 10 subtracted by 3, and if I run this, then it is 7. And yeah. And by the way, F1 is the hotkey for running command. Okay, so anyways, we have addition, subtraction. We also can have division, which is a slash symbol. I think it's forward slash. So 10 divided by 5. If I write that, then it'll give me 2. And well, yeah. And then finally, I can do asterisk, which is multiply. And if I do 10 times 10, or yeah, 10 asterisk 10, it gives me 100. Now, this it basically is doing the math for us. It's like a calculator, and because the program has been preloaded with rules for math, then it knows exactly what to do. So that was the basic algorithm, and sorry, I could say algorithm, math, arithmetics for it, and basically what it does is that we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and addition, and division in this program. Now, something else that I learned is that there is 2 different things. There's div, so if I write 10 div 5, let's see what comes up. Now this says this is basically saying to you, what it gives you is it gives you when 10 is divided by 5, how many 5s can go into 10? So how many of the second number can go in the first number? So if I make this 11, then it'll be 2 as well, but I think if I make it 14, yeah, it's still 2. Now, if you make it 15, it'll be 3 because 5 times 3 is 15. 3 5s can go into 15. And if I make it 100, okay, sure, 1100, then it'll be 220. I didn't know that, no. So yeah, that's what the div command does. And now there's another thing called mod. Now, if I do 11 mod 3, then that is 2. And what mod does is that it says if you divide 3 by 11, what will the remainder be? Because 3 divided by 11, it has to be 3 divided by 9, and the remainder 2. So if I do 12, there will be no remainder because 3 divided by 12 is 4. And if I do 13, then it will be 1 because 3 divided by 12, 3 divided by 13 is 3 divided by 12, which is 4, remainder 1. Now, that's what mod does, and these are all really good functions. I'm pretty sure you can find something to do with them. And now there's something else. There's also exponents. So if I do 10, and then double asterisk to the power, and then 2. This is basically saying 10 to the power of 2. So double asterisk means to the power of. So 10, and then double asterisk power of, and then 2. So if I run this, it'll say 100. So that's correct. And then also I can do it like the power of 20, which can be insane. So I'm gonna be like, yeah, it's too big. Maybe I can make it 10. No, I cannot still. Over, see at the bottom here it says overflow in operation. It means I kind of broke the machine. So there we go. I can do it to 9. But can I do 1,000 to 100 to the power? Nope, it will break the machine. So yeah, that's basically all, pretty much all the values. Now something else to remember is that this program also does follow the rules of bed mass. So I can make a really complex equation right here. So I'll say 2 times 5 close bracket to the power of 2, and then plus, and then I'll say here 2 minus 3, no, 3 minus 2, put that in brackets, 3 minus 2, and then I'll say divided by 2, and then I'll say, wait, did I use everything? Yeah, that's it. And then I'll say, yeah, that's it. Now if I run this, it'll give me 100.5, because what this did was it did the brackets first. So brackets, if you look at bed mass, then it is brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So brackets first, exponents, it does the exponents, division does the division, multiplication, and addition, which is this, then the subtraction, which is this is in brackets, so it gets cancelled out. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. The arithmetics with machines are really awesome because they can do calculations much quicker than the human brain can, and it's just a really big help. So anyways, that was the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. There will be much more coming soon, and there's a lot of cool stuff to do with this program, including drawing shapes. That'll be fun. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace.